Hi, boys and girls. So I'm going to talk to you about the two last sheets in your Math Fun booklet that you're going to be finishing up for me today. And then you can check the answers. They're posted in the daily planner. All right, so the first sheet is this snowflake tally mark sheets. Now, we haven't talked too much about tally marks before, but they're actually a pretty easy peasy way of counting. So when you're doing tally marks, anytime you count something, you just put a mark like that, a vertical line like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The tricky part or the different part comes when you have 5. You don't put 5 like a horizontal mark, you put 5 diagonally. So tally marks help us group things by 5s, which makes it a bit faster to count. It's kind of like when we did 5 frames. It was easy to see that there was 5. We didn't have to count each of the 5s. So this is 5. To make 6, we just start a new one. 7, 8, 9, and then when we come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every fifth one is a diagonal one like that. Okay, so if you look at the first question on the page, it looks like this. There's a set of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with a diagonal, and then 3 more. So what you can do is you can just count each of the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I already know that means 5, so I'm going to start at 5 and count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. So you would cut out the number 8 from the bottom and glue it up by this one. Okay, let's do one more together. The second one has this many tally marks. Well, we know that there's 2 lines there, so we would cut out the number 2 from the bottom and we glue it up in the snowflake box. Okay, so that's how we do tally marks. The other page that you're going to be finishing up for me is the page down here at the bottom. Now, we did another one of these lining up ones back in December where you have to read the instructions and figure out which one is which. So it's kind of the same thing. This one's got 2. It's got snowflakes at the top and then mugs at the bottom. So you would start with the snowflakes. Read the first clue. It says, color the third snowflake red. So you count from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, and that third one you're going to color in red. Then you do the next one, color the first snowflake blue. So you've got to color in the first one. And by the time you finish all 6 clues, you'll know what color all of those snowflakes are. You're going to do the same thing down below with the mugs. You're going to color them following the clues at the bottom. Check your answers on the daily planner and make sure you did it right. Have fun.